Good morning, cyber traders. Good to see you all. Welcome back. Everyone ready for a crazy Tuesday? Good to see you, Lita. Good to see you, Michael, Carey, everybody. Christopher, good to see you all. Let me tell you, yesterday was unbelievable. What a great day. And I'm just super excited. I literally almost made back all the money that I lost on the swing trade. I mean, I'm up huge for the year. I was up over probably close to about maybe 100% on my swing trades, but I gave back about 50. Good thing that after all this chaos and this craziness that's happening with Tesla, I went pretty deep in on that stock, and sure enough, it's really working out. Now, remember, catastrophes make opportunities. Okay. Now, and it's funny, but I talked about this yesterday, that there are a lot of haters out there, and there's a lot of people excited and stuff like that. When there's smoke, there's fire, okay? And when there's fire, we're the firemen, and we're going to go in there. We're going to trade that stock. If we don't like the person or love the person or whatever, that is our job. And Tesla is obviously getting so much scrutiny. And I did a post yesterday. I don't know if you guys know this, but there is I think I posted on my Instagram and YouTube and stuff. Did you guys watch the video on it? There's going to be this massive protest that's going on. Big, massive protest. Like I said, I was waiting for you guys to watch the video I did yesterday. And, they're going to do this massive protest. I think it's this Saturday. So ton of scrutiny is coming out. They're doing it across the country on Tesla. And you know what? I think it's just going to fuel to the fire. Now, when you get the worst of the worst news and the stock doesn't go any lower, that's when it's time to buy. So I didn't buy Tesla. I ended up buying TSLL, the cheaper version of it. And I got in right around here. Let me blow up this chart here a little bit bigger for you. Let me bring this up so you guys can watch it over here on YouTube a little bit better. So we jumped in. You could see it right here that there was a lot of support levels. The only reason why I liked it, since last year, it's been having tons of support around the $7-8 price range. So if you got in at the 8, even the 850, you're killing it right now. So I own several thousand shares. Okay. I own a big block of it. And I also own the TSLY. By the way, I just got my dividend check on this thing. Okay. It blows my mind. I'm actually going to post it on my stories. So I'll post it on YouTube also. But I got paid huge on the TSLY, on the options ETF on this stock. What, my God. When I tell you, when you see how much dividend this thing pays, I told you guys this about a while ago. And you know what? The stock also took a very big hit. And it was another reason why it was a great buy. You could see it right here. Let me blow this up right here. Look at the buy on this stock right here. All right. So major support levels, finally bounced right around the 750, went up to the 850, came right back down. So now we were at a major support. So if everyone got in there 2-3 days ago, you're doing pretty damn well. And if you got it right around, I think I own it right around here. I bought it on this price. I got paid on my dividend on 21st. But you killed it on that one too. But you know what? It's more than that. There was so many stocks that made some big moves, not including today. Today is a lot of them. So Amazon, I did a report on that one. Big support levels on Amazon. It was a big support around 192. I don't know if anyone jumped onto that. Now it's at 204. The list goes on and on. Palantir, I screw up on that one. I sold it because this is what really sucks. Sometimes you got 3 sons. I got 3 sons. It's like, I love them all, but like, if I had an opportunity and I'm going to play a sport, right? I got 3 sons. I want them all to play, but I got to make a choice. I'm like, what is going to give me the best chance? I mean, I love my kids, and I don't want to get rid of any of them, but I'm going to have to make a business decision. And sometimes I told you this before, there are so many times you have to sell stocks because you're tying up so much money because you got to buy something else. And there was a lot of them too. And one of them I missed out is also like, even like the list goes on and on and on. Carvana, CRVA, that was another one. What the hell am I doing here? Did I spell it wrong? Was it there it is. This one also moved up really, really nicely. Look at the move on this stock right here. A lot of support levels at 165, 168. The thing's already at 225. If you do the math, if you bought, I don't know, 100 shares of that stock, you made, I mean, you're doing pretty damn good. You're almost, you're going to be up on like 75 points. That's the $1,600. Now you're up almost 7,000. I mean, there were just a ton of them out there, and the list goes on and on and on. So, this is why day trading is so important for some of you here to understand. Well, I don't like day trading. It's too fast. I like to swing trade. How the hell are you going to learn how to swing trade and know when to get into the swing if you don't even know how to day? So anyway, a lot of stocks going on there. They're going to be on the watch list, but I want to talk about what's going on today because there are some crazy ones also. I want to start off with the TNON. Here's a stock that's up 360% around 6:30 this morning. If you came in early, usually we start around 7:30. So it went from that 350 up to $6. You should have got in somewhere around 5. You could have got out 5, but that one is going on the watch list. Big move. Medical stock. Obviously, whatever they came out with, love it. I personally would be very careful of it. Some of you do remember we traded the stock in September. It ran from $2 up to about 15. Can that happen? I would probably say maybe half because we always see this happens over and over again. But I am putting it on the watch list. Another stock, let me just look at the orders out here, and let me show you on the right of the chart. So we got a big order here around 5. And we got another big order here around 550. So that's where we're at with that one. The next one's on the watch list is this one, POAI. Another really nice little moving stock right here. And orders are getting filled on the stock. There's a big order around $3. So POAI, right there, you can see a big iceberg order right there, right around $3. That big orange line. Not a lot of shares, but pretty decent. So that one, you can see it's kind of tough time breaking the 3. It did around 755 this morning. If we get past that, another good one. This is another good one right here, ALMS. I mean, there's a ton of stocks that are in here, and we're at 56%. A little bit more on the riskier side. I love the volume, already almost 8 million shares traded in pre-market. Another very, very nice moving stock right here. ALMS, we'll keep an eye on that one. That one's moving up pretty well. Orders-wise, this is what I don't like about this stock. Now, you fellow traders know what we're going to look at, all right? Look at that. Big orders right there everywhere. We got a big 10-layer cake going on right now. So the party could be over with the ALMS. Warren on YouTube, not normal dividends. No, it's not. You mean you're talking about the TSLY? No, not a normal dividend. I think it paid almost over 100% dividend on that stock right there. I think even more because it's a dividend off the option. It's an ETF off the option, Warren. So on the TSLY. And there's another one that's paying another huge dividend also, which is another good buy. CONY is another one. Look at that dividend. I think this one's like 150% dividend. And this thing came down a lot. You know what I mean? So another good stock that paid a really good dividend. Regarding my another stock, that's right here. This one's moving up pretty decent. It's testing a big order right here around 223. You can see it right there. It came up, and there's a big order right there of 15,000. So maybe we'll get a slingshot on DATS, DATS. That's a good one right there. Good volume, good everything. This one is starting to move up pretty good. It just came out of nowhere right now. Spread is quite ugly. I'm going to put this on the B list. We've traded this stock before back in May. It ran from 7 to 17. MGRX. We'll keep an eye on that one too. This one is no good. This one's pushing up pretty high right here, but I don't like the spread on it. It's not tradable. Remember, we covered that in class. Tradable, non-tradable. Very, very important. Losers. Nothing there. We got a big run up on this stock right here. Just came out of nowhere. This one just started making a big move right now. DM. Let's go hop over here and see what the orders look like on it. DM. Okay, so got a big slingshot right here. Big orders around 7, around 5, 520. Big move on that stock right there. Probably going to take a little bit of break, but DM moving up really nicely. This one I didn't like. BBAI. So all the AI stocks are moving pretty well. So AI might be in play today. All right. Let's keep an eye on all the AI stocks. There's Carvana, CVNA. That one's been a great move. I mean, there's just so much moving that there was some great opportunities. We know this stock very well. OKLO. This one's moving up pretty decently. Also, it's got resistance levels right around here. Okay. Man, this list is way too big. Way too big. This one's trying to make a little bit of a dead cat bounce after taking a little bit of a hit right here. All right. Anything I'm missing? The shares are trading higher after a Delaware court. Is that the news right there? All right. There we go. That's the news on the DM. Neo demonstration compliant. Okay. Proposed the merger. All right. I guess that's good news on that. I love mergers. All right, traders. Anything we're missing, we did not call out. All right. Congratulations, everyone, on the swing trades. I hope you guys, and it was so important that you guys were here last week, and we got out when we got out. I told you, sometimes you got to be in cash. Cash is king, okay? And we did pretty well. So congratulations, did it. And for the ones that missed it, don't worry about it. They're here all the time, all right? So let's focus on our day trading and a bunch of our swing trades. And then obviously, you know what this leads into? Our options trades. All right, we got about a little bit more than 15 minutes before the market opens up. If you're watching on social media, once again, if you want to come and join us, we're live here all day long. Take your phone, scan your QR code on the right-hand corner. You can join our trading floor. We're broadcasting live. Come join the thousands of traders that we have in our live trading room. If you like and know what's going on over the course of the day, and please make sure you subscribe to the channel, like us, friend us, and ring that bell, because every time we go live, you be aware of it, because sometimes we'll just go live in the middle of the day because we see something we want to show you. So you don't want to miss out on that. Cyber traders, let's get ready. If you're a new trial member in the Cyber Group room, I hope you guys are enjoying your time in here, and make sure you talk to the education advisor, because believe me, this is one of the greatest jobs in the world, but you got to know how to play the game, because it's not a fun way of doing it. All right. But hopefully you could see everyone here is enjoying themselves and you fit right in, and hopefully can make you part of our family. Good luck, everybody. Happy trading. And we'll see you in about 15 minutes. The market opens up. Everyone else, we'll see you back here at 2:30 on social media. All right, guys? Good luck, everyone. Trade safe.